In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on iCloud Backup. If you want your iPhone or iPad to quietly protect your data in the background, iCloud Backup is the simplest way to do it. We'll walk through turning it on, making a manual backup right away, and understanding what gets saved and when. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. At the very top, you'll see your name, which opens your Apple ID settings. Tap that, then choose iCloud. Inside iCloud, look for iCloud Backup and tap it. On this screen, turn on Backup this device. Flipping this switch tells your device to automatically back up your important information to iCloud. After you enable it, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Plug your device into power and press the side button to lock the screen. Those three conditions, Wi-Fi, power, and a locked screen, are what trigger automatic backups. From now on, your device will attempt a daily backup when those conditions are met, usually when you're not actively using it, like overnight. You don't have to do anything else for it to run automatically. If you want to create a backup immediately, you can do that too. Go back to Settings, then your name, iCloud, and iCloud Backup. On that same screen, tap Backup Now. Keep your device on Wi-Fi and ideally connected to power until the progress completes. This is handy before traveling, updating software, or moving to a new device. A quick note about storage. iCloud gives you 5 GB of free space, which may be enough for lighter backups. If you see a message that there isn't enough space, you'll need to free some up or consider an iCloud Plus plan with more storage so the backup can complete successfully. Backups only work when there's enough available space for all the data included. Speaking of what's included, your iCloud Backup covers your device settings, app data, the layout of your home screen, and your iMessage, text, and MMS messages. Photos and videos are included only if iCloud Photos is turned off. If you do use iCloud Photos, your pictures and videos are already stored in iCloud separately, so they aren't part of the backup file. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to your Apple ID, tap iCloud, then iCloud Backup, and turn it on. Connect to Wi-Fi, plug in, and lock your device, and it will back up automatically every day. And whenever you need it, tap Backup Now to create a fresh copy on demand.